Hello everyone, welcome to my DW garden here in London. I am Donna and I just want to give you a few facts on chochas. We call it chochas in Jamaica. Other parts of the world call it chayote, merliton, chuchu. There are so many other names. But what I'm talking about today is one thing that you need to know. Did you know that there are many varieties of chayotes? And what do I mean when I say that? Yes, chayote is generally a single variety of squash. Yeah. However, there are few cultivars and variations. Right. A lot of people are obsessed growing chochas like myself. So, I want to tell you that there are different varieties that you may not know, including the smooth. Did you know there are some that grows very smooth? You see that one? This is just a general green chayote, but if you notice, the skin is very smooth. Okay, that's another one. That's one there. This one actually is a smooth one, but it's a lighter color smooth. If you notice, I've just put this one in water so I can get it to root, and it's putting out a nice long vine. So that's another one, another light color. Then there are the ones that they call, it's the dark, I call it the dark green. I don't know what you call it, but if you look at this and see how many vines it's putting, about 10 vines. It is the black one. This is a dark green. Let me go closer so you can see. It's the dark green chocha. Dark green, they call it black. Excuse me. If you look across here, let me get this one. This is a massive, massive one. This is the same variety, but it's a smooth one. This one has the prickle on it. This one hasn't got it. That's a smooth chayote. So that's the black one. That's a dark green. And the reason why it has two different shades of green, it was left a little bit longer on the tree. But this is the true color, and it goes very dark as well. Very, very, very dark. So that's another variety. So we've covered what? 1, 2, 3 varieties of chochas. Right. Moving over to this one here. This is the one that you may have to wear gloves when you're picking this off the tree. Look, let me show you. It has so much prickle, and even when it's dying, it still shows a lot. You see, it has a lot of prickle on it. When they're on the tree, they're very sharp. Watch that. Watch these ones. You gotta be careful, you know, about these ones. But you can see it's giving me a lot of vines. So that's another variety. This one is the same, but notice that it has all the prickles on it. We call it a maca back home. Right. So we'll just put that one there. So there. So we've covered that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 varieties. One without the prickle, the smooth one, the color, the dark green, and this is just the light green one. Some call it the yellow one, I think. The white chayote or pale green or white skin is one of my favorite. So if I move that around there, so you'll see that this is the white one. This is, I don't know why would they call it pale green. Probably it's got a little, it's not pale green. This is a white chayote. That's my favorite. This is my favorite. So I'm showing you that there are different varieties. The white one, the green one, the black one. So many different varieties of chayote, and I happen to be growing a few different ones. This is, hold on, this is another white one, and the white ones, they're very some of them may look a bit yellowish, yeah, golden. Look, this one start to sprout. It's got a little green at the bottom, but yeah, this is the white chayote. Yeah, so I said these ones are very prickly. Gotta be careful when you're holding these ones. And there's some that has a velvet skin. I haven't got that. I haven't got the one that has a velvet skin. I think I can safely say I've got the white, the dark green, the smooth, and the pale green. So I think I have about 4 varieties here: smooth, the green, the white, and the prickly one. Just about that. Well, some shapes like a pear. Which one would shape like a pear now? Hold on. I wouldn't say this one shapes like a pear. But this is, and this is where it sprouts from. So that's a fun fact about chayote. The different varieties. I'm just showing you what I have. Just giving you an idea of what I am growing: the smooth, the dark, the prickly, and the green. So this is the dark green, and I would say the dark green, they're quite vigorous. They put out a lot of vines. If you notice, this one have about 10 vines growing. If I put my hands around it, you can see about 10 vines growing. Look, it's pushing out a lot of vines. We call it eye. In Jamaica, we say to put out a whole heap of eye. So far, guys, so I'll be doing a lot more on chayotes, but today it's about the varieties of chayote. I will drop a few different varieties I may see on the internet and show you as well, which I am not growing. But yes, there are different varieties of chochos, and these are just the ones that I am growing. I've got the white. This is a dark green, they call it the black, the white one. I've got the prickly one. I've got this is another dark green. I've got the smooth one, very smooth. So far that's it. So I hope this educated you in the chochos that are around, and basically the different varieties. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please note that all the varieties of chochos, or chayotes as you may call it, can be grown here in London, providing that you get it from someone who will have already grown them, so they're climatized, and then they will grow lots of fruits. Some people will buy them from the shops and they will just grow a lot of vines and bushes and not any fruits. But these ones are growing in my living room,